Welcome back to our channel. Here we will explore the wisdom of ancient philosophies and apply them to modern-day challenges. Today, we dive into the depths of Stoicism to shed light on a very pressing issue: spotting narcissistic behavior. Narcissism is a personality disorder characterized by a grandiose sense of self-importance, a constant need for admiration, and a lack of empathy for others. It's important to remember that not all confident or self-assured individuals are narcissists, but there are some key traits that can help us identify them. One key behavior that a narcissist may display is gaslighting, which is a form of psychological manipulation. Narcissists may distort the truth or deny their own actions to make their victims doubt their own perceptions and sanity. In a world where self-absorption and entitlement seem to be on the rise, understanding how Stoicism can help us navigate relationships with narcissistic individuals is crucial. Despite common belief, opting to remain in a relationship with a narcissistic individual is acceptable, if you so choose to. Sustaining a connection with a narcissist poses its obstacles, yet it's entirely feasible. This aligns with one of Zeno's many teachings, emphasizing acceptance, a fundamental virtue in Stoicism. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy founded in Athens by Zeno of Citium, teaches us the importance of virtue, self-control, and acceptance of the present moment. But how does this relate to identifying narcissistic behavior? Let's break it down. Stoicism emphasizes the concept of amor fati, or love of fate, which encourages us to accept the things we cannot change. When dealing with a narcissist, this means recognizing their behavior for what it is and accepting that we cannot control or change them. As difficult and mentally draining as this concept can be, it is 100% achievable. If staying is your decision, that is okay. However, if leaving is the best course of action for you, then do not hesitate to do so. Narcissists often display traits such as grandiosity, a constant need for admiration, and a lack of empathy. They may manipulate others to fulfill their own desires and disregard the feelings or needs of those around them. Many narcissists have an unrealistic sense of superiority in which they believe themselves to be better than others. Here are 20 phrases commonly uttered by narcissists that serve as clear indicators of their narcissistic tendencies. Number 1. Sensitivity is your downfall. Number 2. Diagnosing others is beyond your right. Number 3. You have unrealistic expectations of me. Number 4. Everyone's got their own struggles. Number 5. Can't expect perfection from me. Number 6. Their tough backstory is always brought up. Number 7. Come on, focus on the positives in the relationship. Number 8. Don't take me too seriously. Number 9. You're no saint either. Number 10. Why do you stay? Maybe you're to blame too. Number 11. Take a hard look at yourself. Number 12. They've got a lot going on. Number 13. Express gratitude more often. Number 14. You're too needy. Number 15. It's just a generational gap. Number 16. Your version of events is biased. Number 17. If it's unbearable, just leave. Number 18. They may say to you, I never had a problem with them. Maybe it's you. Number 19. I am just reacting to your behavior. Number 20. They will raise their voice to drown out yours. These 20 phrases represent just a fraction of the repertoire narcissists may rely on to serve their own needs while dismissing your emotions and well-being. Embracing Stoicism provides a significant advantage in navigating the potential minefield of a narcissistic person in a relationship. leading you to discover inner peace along the way. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what is within our control and the way we perceive and respond to situations. By practicing Stoic principles such as dichotomy of control, we can detach ourselves from the emotional manipulation of a narcissist and maintain our inner peace. Moreover, Stoicism encourages us to cultivate virtues such as wisdom, courage, and justice. By honing these virtues, we can develop the strength and resilience needed to set boundaries with narcissistic individuals and protect our well-being. While we cannot change the behavior of narcissists, we can empower ourselves by applying Stoic principles to identify and navigate relationships with them. By focusing on our own virtue and inner peace, we can rise above the chaos and maintain our sense of tranquility. As always, please continue this conversation in the comments with your fellow Stoic seekers. Like, comment, and subscribe so that our fellowship of Stoic seekers can grow and flourish together. Until next time, stay Stoic and stay strong, and remember your inner peace is what matters the most.